So I was cleaning today or sweeping the webs, and one of these nests just fell out the off the balcony. So I don't know what kind of bird this is, but I'm gonna go and try to put the nest back. Hopefully the mom comes back and finds them. Put it close to where they originally fell. It's got a little brother there. Not sure if he's alive or not, but so yep, gonna go and try to put this back. Hopefully the mom finds it. I'm gonna put them up here on this wall. Nope, that's not a good place. Anyways, I'm gonna go and try to find a better place.